Hello everyone. Our topic for today will be participatory development for community well-being. So, ano nga ba ang participatory development? Ang participatory development ay tumutukoy sa isang action na inaanyayahan ang mga mas or less privileged na mga tao na makasama or sila mismo yung ine-engage ng mga namumunuan para makapagbigay sila ng suggestions ng pangangailangan nila. Pwede ditong pumasok yung mga sa halimbawa ay sa SK or sa mga porfpeace, ganon. Sila yung mas ine-engganyo na sumali para mabigay yung kanilang mga pangangailangan or mga suggestions na pwede nilang sabihin sa kanila na pwede nilang gawin. Next up is yung commitment and action. So in the context of participatory development, ang commitment and action is correlated, meaning kung walang commitment, hindi magagawa yung action, and kung wala namang action, walang commitment. So didefine muna natin kung ano yung dalawa. First off is yung commitment. Ang commitment sa context ng participatory development is yung willingness mo na ma-achieve yung isang bagay regardless ng kung ano mang challenges na makaharap mo. Na ibig sabihin, dapat kang invested na magawa yung kung ano mang action na gusto mo gawin. And action sa context ng participatory development is mga action. Halimbawa nito is yung mga pag-attend sa meetings or pag ikaw mismo maggagawa ng meetings, pagiging proactive sa mga bagay na gagawin, ganon, and mga pag-engage sa mga tao para malaman yung kanilang gusto.
Commitment and action in participatory development. In participatory development, commitment and action are crucial. Commitment refers to the dedication of community members towards the development goals. Action, on the other hand, is the tangible steps taken to achieve these goals. Committed action means behaving in ways that serve the chosen aspect of participatory development. This ensures that the development efforts are not just theoretical but are put into practice, leading to the real positive changes in the community. So, ang sinasabi rito sa participatory development daw ay napaka-importante ng commitment and action. In simple terms, commitment is like promising to do something and action is actually doing it. Commitment ay parang pangako na gagawin mo ang isang bagay o plano at ang action naman ay paggawa talaga nito. So, kapag may commitment, ibig sabihin may pangako kang gagawin ng isang bagay para sa ikabubuti ng inyong komunidad. So, ang action naman ay pagsasagawa mismo ng bagay na pinlano mo o yung konkretong hakbang para maabot yung mga layunin na yun. So, ang committed action naman, ibig sabihin, hindi lang puro salitaan, kundi talaga may ginagawa para sa tunay na pagbabago sa isang komunidad.
Planning. In participatory development, planning is crucial step where all stakeholders, including community goals, group, government, NGOs, and donors, come together to formulate development policies and strategies. This process ensures that the development intervention are appropriate to the needs and preference of the population. The success of the project relies on the execution of these shared ideas. Paliwanag. Planning is the process of setting goals, determining action to achieve those goals, and outlining the resources needed to execute those actions effectively. It involves considering various factors such as time, budget, resource, and potential obstacles to create a roadmap for reaching desired outcome. Planning helps individual and organization make informed decisions, allocate resources efficiently, and adapt to change or uncertainties in the environment. Thank you.
Implementation. Once the plan is in place, the next step is implementation. This involves putting the plans into action. It requires commitment from all stakeholders and adherence to the common goal of the community. The implementation process is often flexible, allowing for change and adaptation as needed. So, after making the plan, the next big thing is to actually do it. It's important for everyone to be involved to the plan and work together to reach the community goals. And while doing it, it's okay to make changes if needed.
Sustainability and participatory development refers to the long-term maintenance and success of community projects. It's about ensuring that the benefits of a project continue even after the initial implementation phase is over. This often requires the support of local government and the other groups who share the same vision and ideals. Sustainable projects are more likely to be on target and their results are more likely to be enduring. Ultimately, sustainability is driven by a belief in the importance of entrusting citizens with the responsibility to shape their own future. Sa madaling paliwanag, sustainability and participatory developments embodies the commitment to ensuring that community projects thrive in the long term. It involves securing ongoing benefits beyond the project initial phase by garnering support from local authorities and like-minded organizations. Sustainable initiatives are not only more effective but also have lasting impacts, reflecting a belief and empowering citizens to shape their own destinies.
A community. A community is a group of people who live in the same place or have a particular characteristic in common. It can also refer to a group of people living together in one place, especially one practicing common ownership. Additionally, a community can be appealing or fellowship with others as a result of sharing common attitudes, interests, and goals. In a broader sense, a community can be a group of interdependent organisms of different species growing or living together in a specified habitat. Ang komunidad daw ay isang grupo ng mga tao na nagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng mga pagkakatulad sa kultura, tradisyon, interes o lokasyon. Ito raw ay naglalaman ng mga individual na nagbabahagi ng mga kaugalian, pananaw at layunin at nagtutulungan upang makamit ang kabutihan ng bawat isa at ang buong grupo.
Community well-being. This refers to the overall health and quality of life of the community. Participatory development aims to improve community well-being by ensuring that development efforts are responsive to the community's needs, sustainable, empowering, and collaborative. Ang community well-being ay ang kabuuang kalusugan at kalidad ng buhay ng isang komunidad. Isang halimbawa ng partisipatoryong pag-unlad na naglalayong mapabuti ang kalagayan ng komunidad ay ang pagtatayo ng isang paaralan sa isang liblib na lugar. Sa pamamagitan ng pakikilahok ng mga miyembro ng komunidad sa pagpaplano at pagpapatupad ng proyekto, tiyak na matutugunan ang pangangailangan ng mga bata sa edukasyon. Ang partisipatoryong pamamaraan ay magbibigay ng boses sa mga mamamayan at magtutulak sa kanila na maging bahagi ng solusyon sa kanilang sariling pangangailangan sa pagpapakilos sa mga lokal na tagapamahala at mamamayan. Masisiguro ang sustainability ng paaralan at magbubunga ito ng mas maraming oportunidad para sa mga bata na naglalayong mapabuti ang kalagayan ng buong komunidad.
Community engagement. This involves the active participation of community members in decision-making process. Community engagement helps government to improve efficient legitimacy and transparency of their decision-making. It increases acceptance of decision and community commitment
to outcomes as it leverages local knowledge from diverse groups to the shape and create inclusive, effective solutions. Community engagement is the process of building relationship between communities to address issues affecting their well-being. It involves collaboration, communication, and participation to understand and respond to community needs, concerns, and aspirations. It can take various forms include outreach, consultation, partnership, and building grassroots organization.